YouTube self. Your favorite baddie, Unicorn Mermaid Princess, Miss GermanyBadd with the 2 Ds is back with another video. Clearly, as y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what the fuck going on today. Okay, I know it's been a minute. I know I've been gone for a little minute, but guess what? I'm back. So let's get into it. So boom, after I dyed my hair, as y'all can see, it got a little weak in certain areas, you feel me? So we're gonna fix those areas. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Now here go one right here. Y'all see that? Y'all see how weak that part is? It's weak. It's hanging on by a thread. Okay, look at that thread. Y'all see the thread? It's hanging on by this thread. So you're gonna need your handy dandy crochet hook. Now you don't have to use the 3-prong. I'm only using the 3-prong because I can't find my other ones. So yeah. So first thing you're gonna want to do, this is the easiest thing you could do ever with your locks. Okay, boom, you take it, you see the weak spot, it's here. Matter of fact, I really want to find a even weaker one. I dyed my locks, as y'all can see, and after I dyed them, I got some weak spots in certain areas. Example number 1, y'all see that? She's hanging on by a motherfucking thread. Okay, so we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna show you how to fix it, and it's very easy. You're gonna take your handy dandy crochet hook. Okay, you're gonna take that weak spot. It's weak right here, as y'all can see. It is about to fall off my fucking head. Okay, easy. So you're gonna lose a little bit of length, but it's no big deal. At least this whole end ain't just gonna fall off. Okay, so we're gonna take it, weak spot here, boom, take the thick part. Y'all see that? It get thick here and it get thick here. So what we're gonna do is connect the thick part to the thick part. See, connect, fold it up like that. So boom, as y'all can see, thick part, it's touching thick part now, and we got a fold in it. Y'all see that fold? See, we fold it. Now, boom, connect the thick parts. You take your crochet hook. This is a 3-prong crochet hook. Excuse me. This is a 3-prong crochet hook. You don't have to use 3-prong. I'm only using 3-prong because I don't know what my single prong crochet hook is. Now this is going to take about maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds, something like that. You just want to go in with the crochet hook and pull it out. Make sure that the hooks are facing you. If the hooks are facing away from you, then it's not right. It's wrong, okay? So do what I said. So boom, stick the hook in there, pull it. Boom. And you keep doing that, but you want to rotate your fingers so that you're not just making it flat, because you don't want it to be flat. You want it to be round and cylindrical, like a regular lock. Boom. I meant to do a before and after picture for my thumbnail, but I got hella weak spots. Some of them is literally about to fall off my head, so no big deal, no big deal. Go in, see how it's coming together already? Do y'all see any weak spot? We got this frizz that we got y'all see the frizz on this side? So to pull that frizz back into the lock, you want to take your crochet hook. You see the frizz is on this side right here, right? Y'all see that? So you want to take the crochet hook like this and pull all this frizz right here back into the lock. Y'all see how it's going? It's going away that fast. Let me get a little closer. See, and then you're gonna get to a point where you don't even really know where the weak spot is actually at, and then you're just gonna be doing shit. When you get to that point, you're done. Okay? So after you do that, you give it a little roly-poly. Boom. Look at that. No weak spot. Easy. Now, I'm going to try to find some more, because I know I got a lot. Like, I seen one that shit was it was just dangling. Literally by, like, one strand. So where is she? Here go another one, but it's not that. It ain't that bad. Okay, so I found one that I really want to discuss, right? Sometimes we got locks that we like, oh, okay, I can fix my weak spot. And then sometimes we got locks that's like, oh, it's useless. Like, don't even waste your time. For example, this one, right? Boom. Y'all see how that little tiny end, y'all see that is weak as fuck right here? That's not worth me folding it up and trying to fix the weak spot. So what I would say do is just pull it out, because this is too little. It's no point. You feel me? It's no point. Oh, okay, here go another one. Here we go. As y'all can see, right here is this weak spot. I could literally like stick my fingernail through this. Like, y'all see this? Look. Y'all see that? Your lock should not be able to do this. You should not be able to stick your finger through your lock, okay? That's how you know it's motherfucking weak. So what we're gonna do is the same shit that I just showed y'all. Boom. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see real good. As I showed y'all, it's weak as fuck right here in this section. See that? Boom. You can literally see through it. So, like I said, where do it get thick at? It get thick here, and it get thick here. So we're gonna take this thick part, make it touch this thick part. See that? It's just folded up. See that? Now the thick parts is touching. We're gonna take our crochet hook, face it towards you, stick it in there, pull it out, stick it in there, pull it out. And you need to be careful with the crochet hook, because the crochet hook is dangerous, baby. Okay? It's not nothing to play with. This is not a toy, baby. This is a tool. Okay? A tool. You stick it in there. Y'all see where it's folded at right there? It ain't gonna look like that for long. Pull it out. Rotate it. Do the same shit. Stick it in there. Pull it out. Stick it in there. And I would say to use a single prong crochet hook, because as y'all can see, the 3-prong crochet hook I'm struggling a little bit to like stick it in the lock. But this is my only option at the moment. So y'all see how it's coming together? We're gonna show y'all what to do with that frizziness. So we're gonna turn the frizziness. Y'all see all that frizziness? We're gonna grab the crochet hook and make sure that we pull all the frizziness that's over here into the lock. That's what the purpose of the crochet hook. Okay? Boom, we're almost done. Boom, as y'all can see. Now, where's the weak spot? Where the fuck did it go? It's disappeared. So we're gonna give her a palm roll, and look how perfect she look. Yeah. Okay. Last one, last example. We got this. Now, as y'all can see, where it's super skinny right here. If I just, I can see through this. I can stick my finger through it. Y'all see? That means it's too motherfucking weak. So, same shit. Okay? We got a thicker piece down here, and a thicker piece down here, and a thicker piece right here. So we're gonna connect this thick piece to this thick piece, fold that up, stick the crochet hook right in there, and just go on and do your shit. I always look so fucking shiny, like. And I'm about to record a tarot video right after this. Y'all let me know if y'all like my tarot videos, because I love doing the tarot videos so much, so bad. And I would love to do a reading for you. So yes, let me know, girl. Boom. Real easy. Make sure you do the rotating. Very repetitive. Very easy. I would never suggest you to pay nobody ever in life to fix the weak spots in your locks. If you got a crochet hook, please, like, don't waste your money, okay? Somebody hit me up like, oh, I need you to fix my weak spots. I'm like, okay, but you can do it yourself for free. Boom. Perfect. Easy. Okay. So anyways, y'all know what the fuck going on, okay? Miss GermanyBadd will be back very soon, okay? I got some more hair videos coming up. I got some more tarot videos coming up. I got some more music finna drop. Y'all motherfuckers stay tuned, because you know your girl be on her shit, okay? So anyways, sis, make sure that you stay that bitch. Don't let no nigga tell you that you ain't that bitch. Bro, don't let no hoe tell you that you ain't that nigga, because you already know that you that motherfucking nigga. And yeah, I'm out.